Mid-range is dead because this phone just raised the bar. Meet the Nothing Phone 3A, a device that looks, feels, and performs like a flagship. Nothing didn't just redesign the back, they redefined what a $400 phone should do. With an all-new Glyph interface, Essential AI key, and dual 50-megapixel cameras, this isn't just hype, it's smart design done right. Let's talk design. You're getting a 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED display with punchy colors, slim bezels, and that iconic transparent back. It's sleek, minimal, and screams personality with every LED animation. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 delivers smooth multitasking and gaming. Paired with Nothing OS 3, it's clean, fast, and refreshingly bloat-free, just how Android should be. Dual 50-megapixel rear cameras give you ultra-crisp, wide, and telephoto shots. And selfies? That 32-megapixel front camera makes sure you always look sharp, even in low light. But here's where it gets wild. The Essential Key is your personal shortcut hub. Combine that with customizable Glyph alerts, and you're not just getting notifications, you're feeling them. For under $500, Nothing Phone 3A gives you premium build, clean software, and some of the most creative features on any phone right now. If you're bored with boring phones, this one's worth a serious look. Subscribe for more tech reviews and let us know, is this the best mid-range phone of 2025?